Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Flutter developers face when working on their apps. The problem we're tackling is how to implement a back button functionality in a Flutter app without relying on a floating action button. To solve this issue, we'll be using a nifty tool called PopScope. This handy feature allows us to manage the back key press in Flutter easily. By implementing PopScope in our code, we can control the behavior of the back button press and navigate to the previous page seamlessly. Now, let's break down the solution using PopScope. The code snippet provided gives us the ability to handle the back button press and execute a specific function when triggered. By setting the canPop value and defining the onPop invoked function, we can ensure that the back button behaves as expected and navigates back in our app. In summary, we've explored a simple yet effective solution to implement a back button functionality in a Flutter app using PopScope. By leveraging this tool, we can enhance the user experience and make navigation smoother for our app users. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!